I'm currently dressed for the gym. That's why I'm like, you know, in these like workout clothes, because after I work on this, we're gonna head to the gym at the end of the day. This is everything that we have right now. So this is my closet, and yes, I designed it. I put the wallpaper in the back. Ryan helped me paint the walls, and we put this closet system up. The closet system is called the Ardell system by IKEA. It is the most budget-friendly closet system I have ever seen on the market that gives you that custom closet look. And so we have like a couple pieces right here. So let me actually give you a short closet tour. So this is Ryan's side. He has shelving going all the way down here with the 4 drawers, and he has like a little basket down there for like small clothes, and then his shirts and his pants, and then all his hats. He used to have a lot more hats, and we donated a lot of them because he wasn't wearing a lot of those hats. So, and then we have all of my perfumes. He also has some more hats up there, so we're trying to keep storage up there. And yeah, and then we have a mirror, a hamper, and then my side. So all of my dresses, and then we have all of my work clothes. So all of my like professional wear and everything like that is in the middle here. And then we have like my jewelry and everything back here. We have my overflowing drawers that don't close anymore because there's too much clothes in there that I need to get rid of. And because I don't have any space in these drawers, all of my clothes are now overflowing on the shelf that I put my shoes and my purses. And then up there is supposed to be storage as well. And then back here we have more of my like everyday shirts, jackets, and then all of my pants and skirts. And I tried to create like a shoe area down here because I have so much shoes, but that didn't work. So I ended up getting a shoe organizer, which I will be using for this space down here. There's more clothes that are hanging right here because I don't have any space or hanging space. I mean, I do, it's just I have clothes that I don't wear and it's taking up space and it just needs to go. So I'm back in my closet today and I'm finally going to work on it and get this thing cleared up, organized, and everything like that. I'm going to start by taking out everything and then putting everything back in and doing the fun part, which is the organizing part. I have my handy helper with me that's going to help me clear this closet out, so.
Now, I know that closet organizing can be a very daunting task, so I want to share 8 ways that I, kind of break down the task to make it easier for yourself. So first, I purge all the old clothes. Then I clear out the closet and place everything into a pile, a big pile. It can be a messy pile, whatever. Then I take the time to clean out that closet, disinfect it, vacuum it, wipe down those shelves. Number 4, you want to sort your piles now. You want to put everything in certain piles. And then 5, after you're done sorting your piles, you want to go into that closet and see if you need additional bins or additional storage space. 6, head back to that clothes pile and start folding all those sorted items. So start from the bottom to the top or whatever you need to do. 7, this is where you take all that clothes that you've folded and put them back into those identified spaces. And then anything that needs to be stored away, leave them in a separate pile, and then you'll be able to decide where you want to put them next. Last but not least, this is the fun part. This is where you add new decor items to really jazz up your space and make this space very, you, and just do what you need to do and make it the space that you want to be in every day.
Have we changed so damn much? Can we heal? You're not saying a word. Oh, it feels so unreal. We lost all ambition, but worthy our claim. We does nothing moves forward. It just stays the same. Think you know the answer, but you're playing a game. Thought we would be together, but you don't feel the same, right? I've been thinking about you. Think about me. So I got to know, are we lost? Are we not? Are we real? Have we changed so damn much? 'Cause I've been thinking about you, I've been thinking about me, I've been thinking this through. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Go find courage, go find. Say it to my face. Think about me, I'll be thinking this through. Thinking that we know me to be. Always thinking that he. Tell me what should we do? Didn't think you'd live without a trace. Without a trace. Some courage, go find some courage. Say it to my face.
We went ahead and took out everything out of the closet except for the stuff that's on hangers. That's going to stay up because that will just require reorganizing everything and putting things where it needs to be. But other than that, everything is cleared out. All the drawers are cleared out. It almost seems like there's like nothing in here, which I really like. We opted to get the Ardell system from IKEA, which is like one of their most affordable custom closet organizers. The one thing I really like about this closet system is it allows you to modify it as you go. So you'll have times where you might need to add another shelf or add another shoe organizer or add another drawer. And this system allows you to do that. Probably do want to get another drawer at one point, but for right now, what we're doing is adding another shelf. So it's really easy to put together. Ryan is currently doing that. So then we could put it up on his side of the closet, and then we will then work on sorting everything and then putting everything back in. Now we're going to be doing things in categories and sorting it by categories. So I had bought these shoe organizers off of Amazon. It is supposed to, like, you can put your shoes in there and then it has ventilation in the back so it doesn't get like dusty or musty. This is going on my side of the closet. I have to find boxes that would be able to fit Ryan's shoes. All of my other shoes, like my heels and my boots, are actually going to go on the shelves. I'm breaking this down into steps for the organization. The first step is I'm going to work on shoes. So we're going to organize our shoes first. The second step is going to be organizing everything in the drawers. So from our undergarments, any type of t-shirts, like everyday wear, pajamas, and stuff like that. And then lastly, I'm gonna organize all of our current like outdoor wear, figuring out if we're going to fold them and put them away or if we're going to hang them. Everything that's left over, I'm going to figure out if it is necessary for me to keep or if it's something that we will be towing away into our organization bins that go on the top part of the organizer, or if we will need to put them in our stowing away bins and then put them, you know, kind of organize them in a way that they are out of sight, out of mind.
Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water, but now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you, but I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. should help yourself, self, yeah. I don't need your help, I don't need your help. You should help yourself. There's been a whole lot of crying, whole lot of trying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying to be like you. I don't wanna be like you.
I want to show you guys the progress with all the shoes. So I have that shelf empty for the rest of my purses to go there, but here are all of my shoes on my side. I have like another pair that is going to go right there, and then we have all of my sneakers. So we have my Yeezys, my Air Force Ones right here, my Steve Madden shoes right here, BB. I have my Dunks right there. I have my Fila's, but I'm thinking of retiring my Fila's for a different pair of sneakers. I have my wedding shoes right there, and then some other shoes that right there that don't fit, but I'm either gonna try to make it fit or I'm going to regift it because I haven't worn it. And then I have my 2 Michael Kors shoes down there, so they're just kind of, I've organized it this way because it looks the most aesthetically pleasing. And then I have my 2 pairs of sandals here. I'm ashamed to say I have more shoes downstairs in the shoe organizer, and the ones downstairs are more of like my everyday shoes. These are not my everyday shoes. These are kind of like going out or, you know, there's a special occasion kind of thing, but I'm trying to make more of like everyday a special occasion.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody said, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like this forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. 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 That's where she'll go.
I wanted to take this time to really shout out my new subscribers. So I've been MIA because I just got a new job, and I've been trying to work on like getting my schedule and building a new routine with this new job. And I noticed that I have some new subbies. So thank you so much for my new watchers who have come and decided to join the tribe. So definitely, if you have not followed me on Instagram yet and you've subscribed to my YouTube channel already, feel free to go and head over to my Instagram page and follow me there and join the party. Thank you so much for subscribing, my new subscribers, and thank you for my loyal tenured subscribers as well. My main goal right now is to get us to 500 subscribers. So keep sharing this video, share it with your family and friends. Let's get us to 500. I really want to do a really big DIY for you guys once we get to that 500 mark. So keep pushing it up there. And I just want to thank you guys for your support. I really, really appreciate it. This is what the closet looked like before. It was dusty, it had things all over the place, nothing was in the right place. I was just kind of throwing stuff everywhere, and there was just no method to this madness, right? And we really needed to reorganize everything, and I was just tired of looking at the mess and the accumulation of clothes. And finally, this is what our closet looks like now. It is clean, it is organized, it's beautiful, and I'm loving it. Thank you for tuning in this week for the closet reorganization, and feel free to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It's free to do so, and you get to see more DIY content from me, as well as lifestyle content on this channel. We keeps it real. We don't change it up for anyone, so definitely if you like content like this and you like keeping it real, subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to also follow me over on Instagram, where you see behind the scenes footage of all these DIY projects and also just day-to-day lifestyle things that you might want to see me do every day. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Stay groovy. Bye.
Real life, talking about that real life, holding on 'cause it just feels nice, but let's get back to real life.